Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper dipper in your Scooty. The upper dipper, also known as the high beam, is a crucial feature for enhancing your visibility during nighttime rides or in poorly lit areas. It's usually found on the left handlebar, often integrated with your headlight switch. Learning to use it correctly ensures both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Let's dive into the specifics of its operation and best practices. Knowing when to engage your high beams is key for safe riding. You should activate the upper dipper primarily on unlit roads, rural areas, or highways where there's no oncoming traffic. If your low beams aren't giving you enough visibility, the high beam can significantly improve your view of the road ahead, helping you spot potential hazards from a greater distance. Always be mindful of your surroundings. Operating the dipper switch is straightforward. On most Scooties, you'll find the headlight control on the left handlebar. This is typically a toggle switch or a push button. To activate the upper dipper, simply push or toggle the switch to its designated high beam position. You'll usually see a blue indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming that your high beams are active. Remember to switch back to low beams promptly. Safety and road etiquette are paramount when using your upper dipper. It's crucial to dim your high beams immediately when you see an oncoming vehicle or when you're following another vehicle closely. This prevents blinding other drivers and ensures everyone's safety. Also, avoid using high beams in heavy fog or rain, as the light can reflect off the moisture and actually reduce your visibility. Always ride responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.